Okay, I'm giving my chicken a so-called bath. I ran out of white vinegar, so I'm using apple cider vinegar with some lemon. If you have lime, much even better, but lemon also works. And some white vinegar, of course, with some water. And I'll let it sit there for about maybe half an hour, sometimes even an hour. I just wash everything with some bleach and soap and water, of course, when it's finished. So I will take the skin off the thighs and clean the yellow part off of the leg and the slime at the bottom of the skin, from the bottom of the skin. Just to clean. Okay, when I do say to wash everything with bleach, I mean the pans, utensils, and area where you clean your chicken. That's what you wash with bleach, not the chicken, okay? Just to let everybody know. Here's my seasoning, pimento seeds, sea salt, black pepper, allspice. Just put it to your liking. Season to your taste. I also have sazon. I don't have any ricotta, but since this has some ricotta in it, achiote, that will do. Add some flavor. I'll put a few more since I have a lot of chicken. I like it nice and tasty. I like it hot, a little spicy. Some jalapeno. I'm not putting habanero in this. Jalapeno is usually a little bit more spicy. Habanero a little bit, or Scotch bonnet. Put a little apple cider vinegar and some onions. A lot of onions for me. Just mix it up. Rub it down. So it's all set. Let it sit for about 4 hours. Usually I like to wait at least a day, let it marinate overnight, but we don't have time today, so just a few hours for me today. All brown as much as I need it to be right now. I'll add my onions tomatoes. And let it start stewing. Then I'll put it in the crock pot to cook slowly.